A trader purchased an old bicycle for 480 rupees. He spent 20% of the cost price on its repair. If he wants to earn 144 as net profit on it, how much percent should he add to the purchase price of the bicycle? So first we need cost price, right? So total cost price, total CP will be cost of the bicycle, right, plus the repair cost. All right, so cost here is mentioned 480, and the repair is 20% of the cost price. So 20% of cost price, that is 480. So 21s are 25s are 5 9s are 6 are, and we have we get 576 here. Okay, now we need selling price. Okay, so selling price will be cost price plus profit. So cost price is 576 and profit is 144. So we get 720. All right, now it is easy to find profit percent here. Profit percent will be selling price minus cost price. Now here it gets little tricky. The question here says that on the price of the bicycle, okay, purchase price of the bicycle, not this one. This is total CP. It includes cost price and repair. We do not need to calculate it on this. We need to calculate it on 480. Okay, so 720 minus 480 over 480. It's a tricky question, right? We need to first focus on question, right? Every word needs to be checked twice. Okay, multiplied by 100, we have here 240 over 480 into 100. 0 0 2 ones are 24 ones are 24, 2s are 2, 5. Okay, so 50%, and this is the required answer. Option A is the correct one here.